Your agent's tools don't have to be functions you wrote. The Model Context Protocol, MCP, is an open standard for exposing tools to agents. There's a whole ecosystem of MCP servers, file systems, calendars, GitHub, databases, built by other people, ready to plug in. You point your agent at one, and its tools appear right alongside your own, indistinguishable to the model. Let's connect one. Before we wire it up, the one thing to understand: the trust boundary. When you connect an MCP server, its tools run in your environment, not on mAIvn servers. A local server runs as a sub-process on your machine. A remote one is an endpoint you control. mAIvn's runtime only ever receives the tool schemas, the names, descriptions, and argument shapes, and decides which tool the agent should call. The call itself happens on your side. Your provider credentials and the data those tools touch never leave your environment. Here's a server. Pretend a teammate wrote it. It's a tiny inventory service built with the standard MCP library. Two tools, list SKUs and check stock, returning stock levels. The important part is that this is a separate program. You don't import it, you run it. In real life, this might be an official GitHub or Postgres server you installed. The protocol is the same. Now we connect. We describe the server with MCP server, give it a name, inventory, and tell mAIvn how to launch it as a local subprocess running this script. Then register MCP servers, wires it onto the agent. That's the whole integration. mAIvn spawns the server, asks it what tools it has, and adds them to the agent's surface, each one prefixed with the server's name, so it never collides with your own tools or another server's. Run it. First, look at the agent's tools: inventory list SKUs and inventory check stock, prefixed exactly as registered, but otherwise just tools. Now we ask which products are out of stock. Watch the trace. The agent calls inventory list SKUs, and notice the MCP tag. That call ran in our local subprocess, not on mAIvn. It gets the stock back, spots the keyboard at 0 units, and answers. An external server's tools, orchestrated by mAIvn, executed entirely on our side. A few things to round it out. There are two transports: a local subprocess, like ours, or an HTTP endpoint you connect to. The agent code is the same either way. For installable third-party servers, an auto setup block runs them through UVX into an isolated environment, so you don't handwrite the launch command. And because an MCP tool is just a tool, the tool override from 2 videos ago works here too. Rename it, redescribe it, set defaults to fit a generic server into your app. To recap, MCP lets your agent use tools other people built with one describe and register call. The tools run in your environment, mAIvn only orchestrates, and they behave like any other tool, including overrides. Next up, we start connecting agents to each other, agent dependencies, where one agent can hand off to another. See you there.